Welcome to Choice Champions. The best dog brush is probably one of the most essential tools for any dog owner, but with so many options available, finding the right one can be a real challenge. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of dog brushes, exploring different types, materials, and features to help you make an informed decision. We'll cover everything from slicker brushes to deshedding tools, ensuring your furry friend stays happy and healthy. Number 5. Bodhi Dog Shampoo Brush, Pet Grooming. This brush quickly removes dead skin and loose fur, leaving your pet's skin clean and coat shiny. It's gentle on sensitive skin and helps shampoo lather better, leading to a deeper clean. Turn bath time into a soothing massage. This brush feels great, gets them clean, and keeps their skin and coat healthy. It's much gentler than other brushes and made from natural rubber. This brush is a 3-time winner of the Family Choice Awards. It's a safe, professional quality brush suitable for pets with normal or sensitive skin. It can be used on wet or dry fur. Use this brush to manage shedding. The rubber teeth remove hair without pulling excessively. It holds onto the fur, preventing a mess. Simply tap it to remove the hair. We're a small, family-owned business of pet lovers. We're committed to your and your furry friends' happiness. We believe you'll love this brush. What we like. This brush is designed to make bath time a spa day for your dog. It gently cleans and massages, leaving their coat healthy and shiny. If you're looking for a way to bond with your pet while keeping them clean and happy, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The brush works great for my dog. It is easy to use and does a great job of removing loose hair. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 4. WOPQAEM Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush for Dog and Cat. This brush is designed with your pet's comfort in mind. It features 304 stainless steel needles with protective rubber tips, ensuring a gentle yet effective grooming experience. It's perfect for daily massage. Using this brush is incredibly simple. Just press the button to extend the pins, and press it again to retract them, collecting the loose hair. This makes cleaning a breeze, eliminating the worry of floating hair. Whether your pet has long or short hair, this brush is the perfect grooming tool. The 10 mm length needles penetrate the undercoat effectively. It's suitable for various breeds, including dogs and cats. The brush features a user-friendly handle that is both comfortable and anti-slip. This design ensures that you can groom your pet for extended periods without experiencing hand or wrist strain. Enjoy happy massage time with your pets. This brush is designed to make grooming easier and more enjoyable for both you and your pet. If you have any questions, our customer service team is always available to assist you. Try it today. What we like. This brush features a skin-friendly design with protective tips, ensuring a comfortable grooming experience. The retractable bristles make cleaning a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you have a pet with sensitive skin or simply want an easy-to-use brush, this is a great option. What people say. The brush works great. It is easy to use. This brush is amazing at getting the undercoat out. Number 3. Freshly Bailey Dematting Comb for Cats and Dogs. Introducing the Freshly Bailey Dematting Comb. This tool gently removes tough knots and mats from your pet's fur. It can save you money by avoiding expensive trips to the groomer. This deshedding tool eliminates loose fur, promoting a healthier coat. Regular brushing with it will reduce shedding around your house. It also helps prevent painful tangles and mats. Designed with curved stainless steel teeth, this comb protects your pet's skin. It works gently on long-haired cats and medium to long-coated dogs. It is safe and effective. The double-sided undercoat rake features wide and narrow teeth. The wide teeth are for large mats, and the narrow teeth are for loose fur. This design is perfect for various breeds. Built with sturdy stainless steel teeth, this comb is long-lasting and easy to clean. The ergonomic handle makes grooming comfortable for owners. It's a great tool for pet owners. What we like. This dematting comb is your secret weapon against stubborn knots and tangles. It gently removes mats and reduces shedding, keeping your home cleaner and your pet more comfortable. If your pet has a thick or long coat prone to matting, this tool is a must-have. What people say. By following the very simple instructions printed on the back of the box for this grooming tool, I am able to completely get through all of his dense fur, gently work through mats, and greatly reduce his shedding. I can't believe how easily it removes mats. First time I tried it, took out massive amounts of dead fur and cut right through small to medium-sized tangled knots without any real squawking from my cat. Number 2. Poodle Pet Slicker Brush for Dogs and Cats. This is the best-rated pet brush of 2023, trusted by millions of pet owners. It is designed to remove debris, loose hair, mats, and knots from your pet's fur. This slicker brush is perfect for both dogs and cats. It features fine wire bristles that are packed tightly together to effectively remove loose hair and tangles. Each stainless steel pin has a rounded tip to ensure your pet's comfort. You can brush with confidence, knowing that it won't hurt your furry friend. Even sensitive pets tolerate it well. The fine wire pins reach deep into the undercoat to remove loose hair and prevent matting. Regular use will keep your pet's coat tidy and healthy. If your pet has curly hair or a double coat, this brush is your best friend. Use it to brush from the surface to the end of the hair, removing dead hair and keeping your pet looking their best. What we like. This slicker brush is a top-rated grooming tool, trusted by pet owners. It effectively removes loose hair, mats, and knots, leaving your pet's coat looking its best. If your dog has curly hair or a double coat, this brush will become your new best friend. What people say. The brush is easy to hold and maneuver. It works great at removing loose hair. The design is very effective. Number 1. Freshly Bailey Self-Cleaning Slicker Brush. This Freshly Bailey brush is both effective and comfortable. The best part is its self-cleaning feature, which retracts the bristles after brushing to prevent damage and ensure a comfortable experience for your pet. Fine bent wires penetrate deep into the coat, making it easy to groom the undercoat without irritating your pet's skin. This brush works great on medium to long-haired dogs and cats. After brushing, simply press the button. The bristles retract, and the hair easily slides off. It's easy to store, and it will be ready for the next use. This brush easily grooms your pet while creating a positive experience. It massages their skin, promotes better blood flow, and results in a healthy, shiny coat. This brush is an excellent choice for your dogs. What we like. This brush makes grooming effortless with its self-cleaning feature. It gently removes loose hair and mats, while the retractable bristles make cleanup a breeze. If you value convenience and want a brush that's easy to maintain, this is the one for you. What people say. The brush works great for my dog. It removes a lot of hair. The design is easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.